Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Skout dating. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to sign up for Skout dating application, the first thing you'll need is the application, of course. If you've not downloaded the application yet, simply download the application on your smartphone, and after it is downloaded, tap it open. Now, from the very first interface of Skout, you can log into your account with your Google account. You can continue logging in by signing up with your email, your Facebook account, with your phone number, and also with your Apple ID. Let me start signing up by using the email option. The email option is located at the bottom left corner with a mail icon in it in green. Tap it on, and now if you already have an account, you can tap on login with email option, but if you don't, you can tap on sign up with email. Once you do that, you'll be taken to your next page. Start by adding a picture for yourself by tapping on the camera icon. Now tap on add photo. Allow Skout to take pictures and record video from your camera by tapping on allow, and select your camera from the expanded menu. Once you take a picture and upload it on your profile, tap on the name text box and type in your name. Select your gender, whether you are a male or a female, and then enter your birthday information by tapping on the text box where it says birthday. Select your birthday year, your month, and then your day, and tap OK. And are interested in, pick the gender that you'd like to view with the Skout application. Now tap continue after you're done. Now on the next page, you'll need to type in your email in the first text box where it says email. Make sure to use a valid email address, and then go to the password text box and type in the password for your account. Make sure to create a strong password for your account's security, and now into the confirm password text box, type in the password one more time. Remember to type in the same password you just created without leaving a single letters or numbers that are included in your password. After you're done typing in, tap on done. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create an account. Now all you need to do is allow Skout to access to your device's location by tapping on allow while using the app. And now you can verify yourself to ensure everyone on Skout that you are a real person. To do so, tap on verify me. Agree to the terms and services of Skout by tapping on these boxes over here and tap get started. You'll need to frame your face in the area below in the circle and simply take a picture of yourself. Then soon after you do that, you have successfully signed up for Skout. That is how you can easily sign up for Skout. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.